Good morning, everybody. Oh, such a gorgeous day outside. It's so beautiful, but I don't have anywhere to go to a pool, and I'm just dying because I don't even want to get in the pool. I just want to lay there and enjoy sunshine. Ugh. It sucks. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet today. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll go hang out with somebody that I haven't seen in a while. Maybe I'll go see one of my good friends. I don't know. Maybe we'll go eat healthy lunch and maybe go on a walk. Maybe that's what I'll do. I think I'll text him right now. I'm so smart. I just forgot what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna go hiking with my good friend and a good friend of his. And I was like, oh, it's a good chance to get some sun. I'm so excited. I get to, like, finally get, you know, tan, maybe. And I want to wear my shorts, but, like, looking at these shorts, I just feel like they're a little, like, that's my butt. That's definitely inappropriate. Like, I feel like they're way too short. And I don't really own any other shorts. Ugh. I really want to get some sun going on, but I feel like if I wear these shorts, I'm gonna show off my ass to everybody. Showing off my butt. Really, excuse me, I just burped. Really not that attractive, which really sucks, but gotta do what you gotta do. Just FYI, this beautiful lighting situation I got going on right now in my little hallway. We have like this tiny little hallway. And yeah, those are Christmas lights. And they're connected to a light switch. So we are legitimately excited all the time when we come into our house. But, so now I have to find something else to wear instead of these shorts. But all my clothes are dirty because I have to do laundry. God, I mean, seriously though, look at how gorgeous. Focus. Look at, oh, it's so sunny. Look at the blue sky. Oh, I'm so excited. We're gonna like go on like a mini road trip and drive a little, but that's fine. And then we're gonna go get healthy food. We're both trying to be kind of healthy. He recently got out of a relationship, and so he's trying to, like, you know, beef himself back up and like healthy. And, you know, because, you know, I feel like when you're in a relationship, sometimes you're not always really that healthy. And so he's trying to, like, he's going to the gym and he's eating good. So I figured maybe we would go eat, like, I don't know, get good salad or something. I don't know. After we hike. But I've been eating popcorn. Just semi-healthy, right? So sorry, I got distracted by the TV. I'm still distracted. I'm sorry. Hi, baby. Focus, camera. Jesus. Yes, thank you for licking mommy. Oh, mommy's so happy. Oh, yes, give mommy a bath. Mommy, you know just how much mommy appreciates it when you give her a bath. It's very nice. Yep, keep going. That's nice. So, you know, give yourself a bath. But, yeah, so now I gotta go find something else to wear. I don't want to wear anything else. I want to get tan on my legs. But I gotta go find something. I don't really have a whole lot in my closet. We'll see. I don't know. Yeah. It's my unhappy noise, just FYI.
Sarah, you've been in my profile picture before, but...
I have. It's so pretty! So windy! So pretty.
I'm gonna do a panorama.
Ooh, that's so fancy. Look out of your way so you can panorama. Oh, it's so gorgeous out here. Isn't it, Will?
A little bit.
Totally a video, just FYI.
A
little fancy.
A little fancy.
A little fancy and pretty. Seriously though, bring me a blanket and I could tan right over here, guys. Shh. I'll bring a blow up mattress and I'll tan right over here. God, it's so nice out here. gonna fall.
I'm Miley.
You look like Miley. Miley. Go up on the speaker. You're such a big baby. Look how pretty it is though, seriously. Woo! Don't fall, Will. I'm not carrying you back up if you do. Just FYI. This just looks really
Jessica Hennepin likes you.
not... Who likes who?
Jessica Hennepin. She's one of our friends. She a grad student.
Oh, it's so pretty. Hiking makes you feel really good.
We made to go to grad school. I didn't go to grad school anyway, so. I'm like, yeah. Do you know the friend that you can make over $1 million? Yeah. But you also have a lot of fun. There's more.
It is so nice outside. Everything's just so pretty.
You would love to be like a president's box.
Love it.
Football games, they always have groundbreaking ceremonies.
So warm and so pretty.
God, send me those turkeys.
A+ afternoon, guys.
I've actually been out there.
Good way to spend my day. Oh, look how pretty.
To the beach.
A beach! Beach!
That's where it's a beach in the back. I don't know where I used to active beach.
It's so pretty! It's not weird. I'm not taking a video of myself. All the turtles. You're so cute.
They're probably like
Hi,
the
turtle.
birds are like becoming obese.
Hey, turtles. Turtle. Turtle.
What? Feed your white bread to this.
Holy gosh, Jesus. Seriously though.
Your white bread to mold you.
What are you?
I don't know that that's their like digestive system.
So many geese though, seriously. Hi, Goose.
They have higher more robust system than we do.
How are you? Yep. Maybe. No. Yeah.
They brought their geese here and then find the place and they loved it. I know they fly away for the winter. When they come here.
Aren't they supposed to?
Big one. I don't. Is there any place like this that happens? Like, is there like a park? Yes, there is. I'm gonna take it to you. Take you to it. Where is it at? It's It's right by the what's the river called?
Look at that tiny turtle.
So I've heard of Ben Burton Park.
It's so
I don't know
cute.
what that is. And I've been to the one that has a castle, like a little cruise that's over there by the on Lexington.
Yeah,
I have been
little
there.
fish.
Whit Davis Park or whatever. But like nothing like
That's so
a
cool.
big park like this. Oh, I don't know if we have like a huge park like this.
In Athens?
Yeah, I don't think so. I think like
They're angry.
intramural field is like our answer to that. Okay, gotcha. We probably shouldn't stand in the middle of the
All
water.
the geese. No, I like to stand in the way.
Okay.
Do you have to pay to feed them? Hey guys, man, I had a fantastic day. As you saw, it was so gorgeous out today. I don't even know how many miles we walked, and we just had such a good time, and it was so nice for me to like get out and do things, and we planned some trips that we're thinking about doing, and you know, it's fun for me, really, honestly. I have a lot of fun when I hang out with my friends. But I'm actually gonna go take a shower. I do work kind of early in the morning, so I have to go to bed. Probably within the hour. I would really like to be in bed kind of early-ish tonight, but we'll see if that happens because I stayed in bed a little too late. But I just so lost what I was doing. You got mommy confused. Are you napping? Are you napping, baby? Are you being lazy and napping? Yeah, you're napping. Yeah, he's over here. He's in his little corner doing what he does best. So I'm gonna go take a shower and get ready for bed. No, I know you see the string, honey. Don't do that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for a fun-filled work day. Really? I'm about to use that. Devin, you're such a dick. He's laying on my notepad. Is this you telling mommy to go to bed? Is you telling me I need to shut up and go to sleep? Probably. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.